lunch. It is Thursday, and that means we're back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen this morning. And with peaches now in season, Lynn is showing us how we can get the most out of that versatile fruit. Check it out.
Summer is in full swing, and that means fresh fruits and vegetables are all around us. Peaches are one of the many fruits and veggies that are at their peak right now, which means they will be the most delicious they are now all year. I've got some great ideas to inspire everyone at home to use this farm fresh fruit. And first, I know that I have done so many infused waters with you guys. I have done ice cubes just last week, but this is my favorite infused water of the year. So I've just got a fresh peach here, and then just slice them up. I'm using a whole gallon of water, and I could add a bunch more to this, but for now we'll just add this and a sprig of rosemary, and that's it. And stick this in the fridge, and you've got a nice flavorful water all day. Another fun thing you could do is just throw some sliced peaches into your iced tea, and some unsweetened iced tea would get a lot of flavor that way. Another thing that we can do, and of course, all of these recipes would be great with frozen peaches as well, but since they're so fresh right now and so delicious, I like to save some of these when they are affordable and local so that I have them all year round. So you could line a tray with some aluminum foil, and then again, just slice these up. You're going to put them on a single layer on the sheet. And then once you have it all filled up, you could pop this in the freezer overnight. Once they're frozen, take them all off, stick them in a zip storage baggie, and just squeeze all the air out of them, and you're going to have these delicious ripe sweet peaches for months and months, which is super cool. So some other great ideas that you could do. We have a peach salsa on the Eat Smart website that would be great for having with just with chips or with fish and chicken. What I've done with these peaches here today is I just sliced them in half and I grilled them. And that could be a side dish for fish and chicken. I'm gonna make it into kind of a healthy breakfast or dessert or snack this morning. So I've just got a little bit of Greek or strained yogurt here. I'm gonna just drizzle in just a little bit of honey. We don't need a ton. The peaches are super sweet. And this is kind of my secret decadent ingredient. I've got just a drop or two of almond extract. You don't have to use this. You could use vanilla or nothing at all. Stir it all together. And then it's going to go into my bowl. And we'll top them with these fresh peaches. Maybe just a little sprig of mint because it's fun. And there you go. We've got a nice little healthy grilled peach appetizer. And it's great to have, like I said, for a healthy snack, for breakfast, for any of those things. You could also just toss your fresh peaches into a salad. You could add them to a meat and cheese platter, or if you're fancy, you call it a charcuterie tray. You could throw them into a smoothie or into your overnight oats. You could even just slice one of these up and put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. And then when it comes out, top it with granola, and you've got like a healthy, no-fuss peach crisp. So lots of really great fun things you can do with these, and I hope this inspires you just to get out and take advantage of one of these local available fruits that's out there right now.